Ficus altissima, commonly known as council tree and lofty fig, is a species of flowering plant, a fig tree in the family of Myrtaceae. It is a large, stately evergreen hemiepiphyte and is native to southeastern Asia. Ficus altissima is a large evergreen forest tree growing to 30 meters or 98 feet with a spreading crown and often multiple buttressed trunks and characteristic of its subgenus. The bark is smooth and gray with small pale brown pustules. The branches are spreading and the twigs are hairy and often green when young. The leaves are alternate, elliptic to ovate, and are supported on short stalks. The flowers are solitary or in pairs and are on the axils of the leaves. They are concealed inside hollow receptacles which grow into orangish red, many-seeded. Ficus altissima is a massive evergreen tree with a large spreading crown. The plant usually begins life as an epiphyte growing in the branch of another tree. As it grows older, it sends down aerial roots, which when they reach the ground quickly form roots and become much thicker and more vigorous. They supply nutrients to the fig, allowing it to grow faster than the host tree. The aerial roots gradually encircle the host tree, preventing its main trunk from expanding, while at the same time the foliage smothers the foliage of the host tree. Eventually the host dies, leaving the fig to carry on growing without competition. Ficus altissima maintenance is simplified because ficus plants in general are not fussy about soil. Regular potting soil such as indoor potted plant soil or houseplant soil will suffice. In either case, the plant thrives in fertile, well-draining soil. The former will aid in its expansion, and it will be kept alive by the latter. As a result, you will require both. The tree is harvested from the wild for local use as a source of fiber and latex. It is planted as a pioneer species in reforestation projects in Thailand.